is Sir Phil and this is Sir Phil's channel. Uh, and if you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe or click the subscribe button and click all the notification bell to be updated on my latest video. So in this video lesson, I'm going to discuss with you on how to derive the quadratic formula using the completing the square. Okay, so given na yung quadratic formula dun sa ating solving quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. So, ang gagawin lang natin, i-discuss lang dito kung saan nanggaling itong quadratic formula at paano siya na-derive as a formula. Okay, so we're just going to use our knowledge in completing the square using our quadratic equation in standard form, which is given by ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So, using this quadratic equation in standard form, i-derive natin yung ating quadratic formula kung saan ba siya nanggaling at paano siya nakuha using the completing the square. So, ang gagamitin nating method para ma-derive ang ating quadratic formula ay ang completing the square method. Okay? So, using the completing the square, ang first step natin, kung maalala natin, by watching the lesson in solving quadratic equation by completing the square, first to divide the whole equation by the numerical coefficient of the quadratic term. So, ang numerical coefficient kasi natin dito ng quadratic term ay a. So, divide natin yung whole equation by a. So, ang matitira ay x squared plus b over a x plus c over a equal to 0. So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung a divided by a is 1. So, x squared na lang siya. So, hindi naman natin pwede divide ang b sa a. So, as is siya as fraction. So, b over a x plus the same with c divided by a. So, that is plus c over a equal to 0. So, kung matatandaan natin, ito yung first step sa ating completing the square. And then, second step is to transpose the constant term or ililipat natin yung constant term to the other side of the equation. So, ang constant term natin dito is c over a. Okay, so gawin natin yon. So, we have x squared plus b over a x equal to negative c over a. Okay, after that, we're going to complete the perfect square trinomial dito sa ating left side. So, to do that, we have to get b over a. Ayan. And then, divide it by 2. So, magiging b over a times the reciprocal of 2, which is 1/2. So, simplify lang natin. B times 1 is b over 2a. And then, after dividing by 2, we get its square. So, after getting the square, we have b squared all over 4a squared. So, yung nakuha ngayon natin dito, etong nakuha natin, natandaan nyo yung formula, yung b over 2, quantity squared. So, ito yon. So, yung nakuha natin dito, yun yung i-add natin both sides of the equation. So, tingnan natin. So, magiging, so from here, magiging x squared plus, asa na yan? B over ax. Tapos add natin yung nakuha natin. Ito. B squared all over 4a squared equal to, ganun din. Pero, unahin siguro natin tong b squared. So, magiging b squared, ganun din naman yon 4a squared minus c over a. Ayan. Tapos, simplify natin. Etong left side, gagawin nating square of binomial. So, the square root of x squared is x. Tapos, the sign of the middle term is plus. Tapos, the square root of b squared is b. Then, the square root of 4 is 2. Then, the square root of a squared is a, quantity squared, equal to, tapos ito naman, kunin natin LCD. So, ang LCD niyan ay 4a squared. So, divide natin. 4a squared divided by 4a squared is 1 times b squared. So, b squared tayo dito. Tapos minus 4a squared divided by a is 4a times c. Yung nasa taas. So, magiging 4ac. So, pagtapos na tayo dyan, extracting na tayo dun sa steps. So, pag in-extract natin, ang matitira na lang ay x plus b all over 2a equal to. So, yung taas kasi hindi natin pwede ilabas yan. So, it will remain as square root of b squared minus 4ac all over, tapos yung 4a squared may perfect square yan. So, yung square root ng 4 is 2. So, lalabas na natin yan sa radical sign or dun sa square root. Tapos, yung square root ng a squared ay a. After that, lipat lang natin tong b over 2a. So, magiging x equal to, lagay lang natin dito sa unahan, magiging negative b over 2a na siya. So, dahil square root yan, tandaan nyo may plus and minus yan. So, that is plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Tapos, mapapansin natin na parehas naman ang kanilang denominator, 2a. So, pwede natin pagsamahin. Negative b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac plus all over 2a. Okay, so yung nakikita nyo ngayon, ito yung ginagamit natin sa ating lesson in solving quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. Ayan na yung quadratic formula natin. So, x equal to negative b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So, ganyan i-derive ang ating quadratic formula using the standard form of quadratic equation through completing the square. Okay? So, that's it. So, gusto nyo pang aralin niya kung paano na-derive ang quadratic formula, pwede nyo namang ulit-ulitin ang ating video. So, marami lang tayong in-apply na concept in mathematics, mga previously learned concept from your previous grade in mathematics. Okay? So, that's it. Thank you for listening. This is Sir Phil and this is Sir Phil's channel.